All right. We're just kind of getting under the hood here of the BioLLM project. And, this is basically using the Cortical Labs CL1 to encode the token selection in a very small 350 million parameter LLM that is running locally on my machine. So we're going to kind of get under the hood here. You could see the visualizer. I went into this in my last video. It's just, hey, it's something to just see the feedback happening, and we'll actually pull up kind of two different visualizers here to, just the main page as well. So we have a little bit more variety. But as you can see in the upper corner, it's kind of squished up there. That is the BioLLM interface. And, our goal is to just kind of look at this, and we're going to ask a quick question. Tell me where you would like to go to on vacation. And you will see impulses, these little teal stimulations begin to happen on the CL1 and kind of help arbitrarily, but there is some method to the madness. I might get into in a little later video. I'm still doing some research. This is very, very cutting edge and very, very early on, so I don't want to overstate anything. But this is a whole new paradigm to how LLMs can syntactically, that is a tongue twister, but the syntax of the LLM can be more like us. It could be more able to use biological intelligence in a meaningful way to select the next token and to create better responses. So you can kind of see some of that happening up here. And in a minute, I'm going to break it off to the side so you could kind of see the full the full panel for the BioLLM and how it's selecting the next token, just a high level overview. We won't get into code today, but I have open sourced some of the encoder on GitHub. And you could look at this here and just kind of get some ideas and see, hey, okay, these are the different channels that were being used or stimulated or saw some sort of response, some feedback from the neurons in choosing that letter or word. So really fascinating stuff, and it's incredibly beautiful, and would love to hear people's feedback on this. So thank you very much for your time.